SamCart takeaways. The first point,
Own your content, man. Do not build someone else's business. You need to own your own customer list. You don't want to send your buyers to someone else and build their business.
it doesn't make sense. You work so hard to make your course, work a little bit harder to drive a little bit more traffic to your own site.
If I told you I could double $716,000, I think most people are going to care.
Own your own audience. To have the ability to directly communicate with your audience, to have the ability to contact them, communicate with them. These folks that have put down their money, they've put down their credit card, they are way more valuable than just a freebie subscriber.
My heart aches thinking
yeah,
about the idea, right, of creators out there launching and not building their own list of customers. I literally don't know anyone who has succeeded to the tune of millions of dollars, 7 figures plus, that kind of stuff, who has done that on the back of not having their own email list, their own SMS list, whatever, right, of buyers being like the piece that got them there. If you want to make more money, you have to, and I mean have to, right? Build and own your own customer list.
It says on his Skillshare page that Ali has enrolled 68,000 students onto Skillshare. So 68. We titled this video like he's lost $2 million. The amount of lifetime value that those 68,000 emails could yield.
Dude, that's awesome. I mean, and again, that's a testament to what Ollie's doing, and he's doing it right. You know what I mean? That people trust him enough that he's going to send them somewhere, and they're going to be like, cool, yeah, that sounds great, I'll buy. If instead he sent all of that juice and all that traffic over to a page on SamCart where he was selling something that he owned and he got all that cash, easily could he be making $20 on every one of those customers instead of 10. And then think about with course cross sells, think about with order bumps and one-click upsells and payment options and ways to help those customers spend more. I mean, Ollie, that could have been millions. That could have been probably $2-3 million bucks worth of traffic. That is, if it was rerouted away from Skillshare over back to something he owns with the right tools in place, all right, that is a big, big opportunity. We can't do anything about the past, but for those of you guys watching this video, you use SamCart or not, no big deal, whatever, that's fine, okay? I cannot underpin enough the importance of owning your own audience, giving your customers the opportunity to spend more and discover other things that you have, and there is no better place to do that than here at SamCart.